Hey guys, this is November light switch collection, so let's get started.
This is part 1.
Fuse switch with neon, don't know the company of it. 1st of the 10th, 2007. This one is a similar one, made by GET. 5th of the 1st, 2018, made by GET. I also do have a Wix fuse switch with neon. GET switch with neon. 10th of the 4th, 2009. Ashley 2A light switch. Folex 2A light switch. Series 4000 one-way light switch. A older Series 4000 one-way light switch. As you can see, the board looks a bit different. This one is from the early 2000s, and this one's from the early 2010s. Series 4000 fuse switch with neon, from the early 2000s. Series 4000 plug socket switch. This one is from the early 2020s. Series 4000 fuse switch. This one's from early 2020s, maybe early 2010s. A Vari-Lite one-way light switch. I also do have the two-way light switch. A MK Logic 6-way light switch. MK Logic Plus plug socket switch. A MK Logic 2-way light switch. A Holder 2-way light switch. This one is from 2003. 15th of the 4th, 2003. A Legrand 2-way light switch. A MK brightness switch. I found out it is MK. I think this is MK Logic. Contactum plug socket switch. BG switch. A BG plug socket switch. A Holder one-way light switch. This one is from 2024. Early or maybe late 90s BG light switch. 3-way. A 60s MK one-way light switch. Click mode 3-way light switch. Click mode 1-way light switch. And a click mode 2-way light switch. Golden Hamilton one-way light switch. 4th of the 8th, 2016. A cooker switch made by GET. 8th of the 7th, 2005. MK Logic plug socket switch. Another MK Logic plug socket switch. These ones are from the 1980s. Early 1980s. This one here is from the 1970s. A MK Logic fuse switch. It is from 1971. MK Logic golden one-way light switch. MK Logic fuse. A brightness switch and a one-way light switch. Both combined It's kind of a two-way light switch. Skolmore one-way light switch. A holder plug socket switch. 4th of the 8th, 2020. Another 1960s MK switch. A plug socket switch. Hamilton plug socket switch. 10th of the 9th, 2014. A PMS plug socket switch. A Philips plug socket switch. A Contactum two-way light switch. Wix plug socket switch. 1st of the 12th, 2020. MB switch with neon. Series 4000 switch with neon. MK Logic switch. Vimark fuse switch with neon. Volex plug socket switch. A Vari-Lite USB thingy. NTA pendant. Ewok pendant. MK Logic Plus pendant. A newer BG pendant. And a older BG pendant. The newer one is from the 2010s, maybe the late 2000s. And the older one is from the early 90s. Ashley Super Safe plug socket switch. Part 2 is next. Bye guys.